Each speech the president gives has been painstakingly written by a speechwriter and developed and edited by a team of experts to resonate with the audience and reflect the personality and the political identity of that president. The people who work on these speeches have to have a strong understanding of how to communicate one-on-one with others and how to communicate effectively to the masses. This is a very specific example, but it's a good illustration of how important mass communication is to the way the world as we know it functions. It is just as important to communicate effectively when we are managing someone or something's image in public relations, appealing to a wide range of customers in marketing, or sharing important information with the world as journalists. Hi, I'm Hank Green, and welcome to Fast Guides, a study hall series presented in partnership with Arizona State University and Crash Course. In this episode, we will be focusing on the ins and outs of a mass communication major.